Hey guys, we're just hanging out at our newest listing here in Redfield, and not only is she cute, but she's affordable too.
And you're going to want to know the details. Just right under 1,500 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, split floor plan, a wood-burning fireplace, a great laundry room, and a pantry.
And she sits on a little bit of acreage with plenty of mature trees, and you're definitely going to want to see the inside. Let's go take a look.
I see the crystal raindrops fall, and the beauty of it all is when the sun comes shining through.
Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us.